Hi, and welcome to Bubbas Bucket. We are just a hobbyist trying to document some of the things that we do as a result of our varied interests. No telling what will be in today's bucket, and what is being done today may not have any relation to tomorrow's or yesterday's projects. Hopefully you can grab your favorite libation, sit back, relax, and enjoy this adventure for better or worse. Thanks for stopping by. Alright, we have here a Tronxy X5S -400 that is going through several modifications. Today we're going to work on replacing the existing wheeled unit here, because you can see the amount of play that we have, which is excessive and causes all kinds of print problems, crash problems, bed leveling problems, and etc. We replaced the two top wheels and with polycarbonate tires, and good for a while. And because we were having problems trying to figure out how to get to the bottom wheel, we didn't do that. Well, we ended up, we're now just going to say the heck with it. Replace the whole carriage assembly with a linear rail. Alright, first thing we're going to try doing is taking the side fan off. Because I think we need to do this in order to get to the holder for the well, these are the little suckers to get into. This is the part coolant fan, which is going to be replaced by a blower on the Fang from Thingiverse. Now there we go. Okay, that just sets down in a trough. But now we still got to get this part cooler off so that we can get to the screw behind there to remove the grill. And while we're at it, we are weighing the parts difference to see how much we save or gain. When we put it back together. It looks like this is also going to take off the limit switch, or end stop as you 3D printer people call it. Okay, that got that. Now we're going to take it off this way, take the whole fan assembly apart. Because we're going to have to splice in a new one anyhow. Okay. This. There it comes, I think. Yeah, it's coming. Oh, I forgot that fan's running because we got the printer on. And it's noticed that they're using Phillips head screws to hold the heat sink on. I think they're supposed to be M3s also, so we will change those out to socket head screws. Okay, that'll take care of that. I hate nylock nuts. No, we don't want to lose all these spacers either. Okay, our pile of pieces parts is increasing. we're going to have to take this off because the screw head is behind all this heatsink stuff. Okay, the ones with the washers are the ones that originally went on there to hold that. Okay. Boy, that wheel's worn down quite a bit on the sides. Okay, we won't bore you with any more video of looking at our elbows or anything else, and just show some final assembly snaps. Here's a view looking head on into the head, and you'll notice that we've put a silicone sock over the hot end, and you can see the two prongs of the fang cooler and the blower. The blower was wired in using a DuPont connector in case we want to change things in the future. Here we have a shot on a quarter view, and you can see how the blower is mounted on top of the assembly. One problem we had was that after we tried printing for a while, the blower would fall out because there wasn't enough friction to hold it into it. So a little super glue fixed that in a heartbeat. Again, you can see the DuPont connector for wiring the fan into the original wiring, and the sock on the bottom. This is a shot just down the rail, and you can barely make out the black PLA adapter block that is bolted to the top of the linear rail guide block to make the whole thing work. Also, you can see another shot, side view of the blower and the fan assemblies. As indicated earlier, we kept a record of the weight gain or loss for the system. As expected, the gantry gained weight as nothing was removed and a relatively heavy 15mm rail system was added. However, there was a significant savings to the head assembly, and that will be welcome in future testing to see if we can increase speeds and acceleration due to the reduction in mass. Weight aside, the rigidity of head assembly has vastly improved. New prints show a much smoother finish, and after a little tuning, they are also more accurate. Thanks for going along with us on this little journey.